Imagine that everything you can see, everything you will ever be able to see, has a limit, not a wall, not a physical barrier, but an invisible boundary, a cosmic edge, a point beyond which the universe disappears forever. This boundary has a name, the cosmic event horizon. And it is not science fiction, it is physics. To understand it, we must begin with a discovery that changed humanity forever. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble observed something extraordinary. Galaxies were moving away from us. But that wasn't the strange part. The farther away a galaxy was, the faster it was receding. The universe was not static, it was expanding. This confirmed predictions made years earlier by Albert Einstein in his theory of general relativity. Ironically, Einstein himself once doubted this possibility, but the equations were clear. Space itself was stretching. And this is where reality becomes unsettling. The universe is not expanding like an explosion through space. Space itself is expanding. Imagine dots drawn on the surface of a balloon. As the balloon inflates, the dots move apart. Not because they are traveling across the surface, but because the surface itself is growing. That is what is happening to galaxies. Now here comes the twist. There exists a distance so vast that galaxies beyond it are receding from us faster than the speed of light. Yes, faster than light. Doesn't relativity forbid that? Not exactly. Nothing can move through space faster than light, but space itself can expand at any rate, and that changes everything. There are regions of the universe whose light will never reach us. Not tomorrow, not in 1 billion years, not ever, because the space between us and them is expanding faster than their light can travel. That boundary defines the cosmic event horizon. It is the maximum distance from which events happening today can ever influence us in the future. Beyond it, causality breaks. Information is cut off. Those regions are not gone, but they are forever unreachable. Right now, this horizon lies roughly 16 billion light-years away in terms of future influence. But here's what makes it even more mind-bending. The observable universe has a radius of about 46 billion light-years. How is that possible, if the universe is only 13.8 billion years old? Because space has been expanding the entire time. Light travels. But while it travels, space stretches. So the source of that light is now much farther away than when it emitted the photons. The universe is larger than intuition allows. But the observable universe is not the same as the cosmic event horizon. The observable universe is what we can see now. The cosmic event horizon is what we will ever be able to see. And because of something called dark energy, that limit is shrinking. In 1998, 2 independent research teams made a shocking discovery. The expansion of the universe is not slowing down, it is accelerating. Scientists, including Saul Perlmutter, Brian Schmidt, and Adam Rees, revealed the existence of a mysterious force dominating the cosmos. We call it dark energy. It makes up about 68% of the total energy content of the universe. We do not know what it is. We cannot see it, but we can measure its effect. It is pushing space apart, faster and faster. And this leads to a haunting consequence. In the far future, galaxies we see clearly today will vanish beyond the horizon. One by one, they will fade from view, not because they burned out, but because the expanding universe will carry them beyond our cosmic reach. Eventually, only our local group of galaxies will remain visible. The night sky will grow darker, quieter, lonelier. It will appear as though the universe itself has shrunk. Future civilizations may look into the sky and see only a single galaxy. They may conclude the universe is static, small, unchanging. They would have no evidence of cosmic expansion, because that evidence will have crossed the horizon forever. The concept of an event horizon may sound familiar. It also exists around black holes. In a black hole, the event horizon marks the point of no return. Cross it, and not even light can escape. In the universe as a whole, the cosmic event horizon marks the point of no return for information. Beyond it, events can never affect us. It is a boundary not of matter, but of causality, a limit to what can ever be known. And this raises a profound question. Are there civilizations beyond our cosmic horizon? Perhaps. Perhaps entire galaxies filled with life, signals, stories, intelligence. But even if they exist, even if they are broadcasting into space right now, we will never hear them. The expansion of space ensures permanent isolation. We are not necessarily alone, but we are causally disconnected. According to the current cosmological model, known as lambda CDM, dark energy behaves like a constant. Ironically, this constant was originally introduced by Einstein himself. He later called it his greatest mistake. Yet today, that same constant may determine the ultimate fate of the cosmos. If dark energy remains constant, the cosmic event horizon will persist. If it grows stronger, the consequences could be catastrophic. Some models predict a scenario known as the Big Rip. In this extreme future, galaxies would be torn apart, then solar systems, then planets, eventually, even atoms themselves. Reality unraveled by expansion. For now, observations suggest dark energy is stable, but the long-term future of the universe remains uncertain. What is certain is that every second, more regions of space cross the cosmic event horizon. Each moment, more of the universe becomes permanently unreachable. We are living in a rare cosmic era, a time when the sky is still full of galaxies, a time when we can still see the grand structure of the universe. In the deep future, that window will close. So when you look at the night sky, remember this: there is more universe than we will ever know, more galaxies than we will ever see, more history than we can ever access. And somewhere out there, beyond an invisible boundary, are regions forever separated from us, not by distance alone, but by the expansion of reality itself. The cosmic event horizon, the true edge of our universe.